Hi to all of you, this is Marvil Di Mercado and I'm now going to show you how to make lighting in Autodesk Maya 2011. First, you must have an object. I have chosen object. It's a wine glass. And add the effect to that effect. Choose the effect bling here for our object. And then if you have an object, any object that has a bling, now to apply the lighting, click here rendering. Then there were 6 lighting in Autodesk Maya. The first is ambient light, second is directional light, point light, spotlight, area light, and volume light. I will choose spotlight. Move. The light will come here and will point here at our object. To view in that way, just select here the IPR, and that you see that the object has been lightened. If you will look here at the back, then IPR, and you will see that the shadow is here. Close it here. In this view, you will see that the light come from here, then moves toward there. You can select any view from the light. You can make it in the out. Just rotate it and spot our object. Then click IPR. The light comes from here. Here. We look here. The lights come here, and that will be the lighting in Autodesk Maya. That's all, and thank you.